Who could I talk to about this business over here, man? Tell me about it.
My name's Thomas Boyer, chef and owner of Bourbon Bbq. We're bringing the boot back to Cali with traditional southern flavors. We're smoking with hickory and mesquite today off a lane, made out of Georgia, reverse flow pit. Love this thing, man. It's a workhorse, it's a beauty, and producing a great product.
Wow, how people get a hold of you, man?
You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Yelp. We also have our website, bourbonstreetbbq.com. And follow us on social media. That's the best I can tell you.
Wow, how long you been in business, my brother?
Since 2016, so it's going on 8 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, the grand prize winner for the first throw down is number, drum roll please, number 4, Bourbon Street Barbecue is your grand champion right there. Show some love.
About my winery?
Your winery, your
My
name?
winery has been here since 1986. We have great reds, sparklings, and our famous breed red canvas. So come in and check it out.
What's your website or email?
We are at MAURICECAR'RIE VINEYARD, and we also have Ultimate Vineyards. Ultimate Vineyards would be our label for our red wines and our new white wines that are just coming out.
And your name again?
Ultimate Vineyards.
Your name?
At Maurice Car'RIE Winery.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So Maurice Car'RIE Winery was purchased by Ultimate Vineyards in 2019. So just about 5-6 years ago.
Wow.
So we're coming along, changing the wines, making some good red wines that they didn't used to make to us. So.
Wow, I love that. I love that.